Prevent future anchor failures in drywall by matching the anchor type and size to the expected load and installing it with careful, consistent technique. For most household loads, start by determining the weight and how the load will be applied, whether shear, pullout, or a combination, and select an anchor rated for that orientation. Toggle anchors and molly bolts distribute load across the backside and are best for heavier or dynamic loads, while plastic expansion anchors suit light, static loads. Pre-drill the correct hole size using the anchor manufacturer recommendation and check that the hole is square to the wall so the anchor seats flush. A too large hole prevents proper expansion, and a too small hole can split the drywall. Avoid over-tightening fasteners because that compresses the drywall and reduces holding power. Tighten until snug, and then give a quarter turn maximum while testing the stability. Inspect the drywall surface and cavity before installing by probing for crumble, moisture damage, or insulation behind the board. Replace or reinforce damaged drywall with a patch or backing before anchoring. When mounting heavy items, consider installing a blocking strip or locating a stud and using wood screws into the stud for primary support, then use anchors only for secondary stabilization. For repetitive mounts, use a backing board attached to studs or a rail system so future changes do not require new holes in the gypsum board. Common mistakes include selecting an anchor that is too small or the wrong type for the load, which leads to pullout. Fix this by calculating expected forces and choosing anchors specified for that load orientation. Another frequent issue is over-tightening, which crushes the drywall and causes gradual loosening. Stop tightening once the fastener is snug and test with gentle pulling force. A third problem is installing into compromised drywall such as water-damaged or crumbling board, which fails even with proper anchors. Remove and replace the damaged section or add plywood or blocking behind the drywall before reinstalling anchors. We at BigHomeProjects.com connect homeowners with local contractors and provide resources for project planning and product selection, so you can find the right approach for safe anchor installation. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share real-world tips, ask questions, and post photos to help both homeowners and contractors find work and solve installation questions.